Welcome to my channel. My name is Ada Happiness, your Make Money Online cheerleader. Let's talk about tools that you need to start making money online. Are you ready to start your digital business today, but not sure what tools to use? This video series will cover essential tools that you need to make money online. For example, you need Canva, you need Teachable, and you need PayPal. But today, we are going to talk about Canva. In other series, I'll teach you things you can do with Canva, and then I'll teach you other tools like Teachable and PayPal. Today, let's dive straight into Canva. On your home screen, if you already have the Canva app, just go straight and open it. If you don't, do well to download it from your app store. Okay, so you launch your Canva app. Canva is the most popular designing tool out there. It has millions of templates and designs that you can recreate, and it has paid versions, but the free tools, you can also get a lot from it. You can use it on your mobile devices or your PC. So it's as simple as that. You can use it to create eBooks, social media posts, slide presentations, videos, whatever you can think of. It's really an amazing tool, and I would like you to get it today because you need it in this journey. So part one of this series is to teach you how to create some designs on Canva. So now that we are on Canva, if you do not have the Canva app, remember to download it from canva.com, or you go to your app store and download. Now, create your account is very easy, but I already have an account, so I've logged straight into it. Now I'm going to show you how to create a simple design. Let's do a book cover, or should we do a social media post? Okay, let's just go straight into it. Now you can see on the screen here you have YouTube videos. If you want to make YouTube video, you can do it right there. You want to make posters, you want to create a document, you want to create a presentation, slides, you want to create for social media, videos, websites, and so on and so forth. There are so many amazing tools. If you want to start creating from scratch, you can go to create a design and you start your design from scratch. But if you do not have designing skills that much, you can just go and click on an already made design, and then you can start creating. So I'll just type in the search bar here, I'll type social media posts. Let's say Instagram post, and there you have it. Some designs that will be displayed for you. So here are a lot of templates for Instagram posts. They are loading right now. So like I said, if you want to create from scratch, you can always go to the blank, create blank. If you do not want to create from scratch, you can scroll through all of this until you get to what you would like to design. So let's look at this beautiful flyer here. Let's try recreating it. It's loading right now. We'll just try to recreate a post using this already made one. So this is for a creative marketing agency. So let's say your post is about your flyer is about what do we say now? Social media management. So you can recreate yours. You can type manage your social media account, or let's just say Instagram account. Manage your Instagram. You can put your name. I'll put my name, Ada Happiness. Ada Happiness. So if you have a logo, you can just change it here, or go to Element and pick a logo for yourself. You can choose one. This is just practice. So when you go to that place, you tell them about all the services that you give. Okay, so page management, content creation, whatever your services are, you list them there. You can come to contact, put your own contact details and your website, whatever that is, or if you do not have a website, you can just add your handle at Ada Happiness. Just recreate it. You can add a picture. You just choose, replace, drag, drop, resize if you want to, change the colors, change color to whatever you want it to be. Add whatever you would love to add. Personalize it to make it yours. And there you have it, your own posts, your own flyer, your own design. And once you are done and satisfied with what you have, you go to share and you download. Once you click on download, you download your own design, and then you can use it to create your posts online. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook, and I'll also make a video to show you how to create slides on your own Canva. By the time you try this out 1 or 2 times, I tell you, you will own it. Just feel free to play around all the tools you see there. Try out anything that you can, and by the time you use it, remember to take action. I always tell you, take actions. 1, 2, 3 actions, and you are already confident enough to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, because there will be more videos on how to use these online tools and many other tools to create your online courses and make money online. See you next time. Bye.